Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be unboxing and setting up the FHD Pocket camera. This is a small compact camera that you can carry around, put it in your pocket, in your backpack, in your bicycle, on your helmet, and you can take some evidence or record video, audio, and take pictures with the camera. This is the box that it comes with, and without further ado, let's go ahead and open it up. So inside the box we've got the camera. We have got an instruction manual in English as well as in Chinese. We've got a USB-C adapter to USB. We've got a micro USB adapter to USB, and we've got a charging case, and it's a USB-C cable that comes with the packing. So I'm just going to remove this out of the way real quick and have a look at the camera itself. So this is the camera. It's very small and compact camera. It features a full HD recording. I am going to be taking this around and testing, and I will show you what it looks like. So looking at the camera, it's very light. It's made out of plastic. It's got this hook here so you can put this in your pocket or in your backpack or in another place that you wish to. And looking at the side here, so we've got an on and off button here. So this is a slide button, so on and off. And here we've got a microphone, and we've got a micro SD slot here for a card. It does not come included. And looking at the front, no brand here, so all blank. Then we've got the camera here, which you can tilt to 180 degrees. And on the other side here, we've got a microphone button if you want to record your conversations. You've got a camera button here to also turn on recording. And there is this button here, which is for you to take some pictures. At the bottom here, we've got a USB port, and this will be used for you to charge the battery that comes included with the camera. So reading the instructions and adverts, it is mentioned that the camera can last up to 8 hours, but we'll be testing and checking out the performance of the camera. So we are going to set this up with the phone and see how it works. Before we continue with the video, if you do enjoy our videos, please do hit that like button and please do subscribe to the channel. So I've got a micro SD card here. It is not included with the camera, but I am going to use mine as a test. So to insert the SD card, just insert as such. There's only one way for it to go in, and just push it in until you hear the click. Okay, there you go. So it is in, and we are going to use and for this instance, I'm going to use my power bank here to charge this camera, and it's a USB-C cable. So I've got one here, and I am going to insert the cable right here to charge the camera. And that is in, so it's currently charging. So whilst it's charging, to power on the camera is very simple. You've got an on and off button here, and what we need to do here to power on the camera is just pull the power button up for about 3 seconds and then release it. The red and blue lights will flash just for 2 seconds, and that's what it did. And to power off, we just slide the power switch upward for about 3 seconds to turn off the device. Okay, so yeah, some basic functions now. If you want to start a recording, all you have to do is pull the recording button here upwards, and you will see that the blue light there starts flashing. That means that the recording has started, and it is saving everything onto the SD card. Equally, we've got the microphone, so it is also recording audio. This one is on as well. As long as it's up, it is currently recording. And if we want to save the recording onto the SD card, we have to just pull down here the button, and this will save the recording onto the SD card. So there are a few other functions for this camera. I am going to leave it on charge for the night and then test it in the morning, and I'll show you what the recording looks like. Recording, and let's check out the picture quality on this. Okay, so yeah, we're testing the camera now. We're outside. It's early in the morning, 8 a.m. and there isn't much sun out there, so the light exposure won't be that good. However, I'm riding one of those Voy scooters. It might be a bit bumpy here because the camera doesn't have stabilization, but yeah, so recording, and let's check the quality afterwards. That's all right. Sorry.
No one looks in
It's
their
okay.
pockets.
Yeah. Thank you.